Welcome to Koa Sky! Hello everyone, I'm Koa. So today I'm in my kitchen. Do you guys know why I'm here? Well, normally I'm showing you around Miyazaki, but today I'm gonna teach you how to make hiyajiru. Have you ever eaten hiyajiru before? Hiyajiru is a local food in Miyazaki. It's a cold miso soup with cooked rice. We eat hiyajiru when it's hot outside like today. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make a hiyajiru, so let's get started. So these are all of the ingredients. And this is actually for 2 people. And the ingredients are 2 tablespoons of miso, 1 tablespoon of sesame, and 1 horse mackerel, and 1 cucumber, and half of the tofu. And 400 milliliters of broth, and when it's hot, then you should put it in the refrigerator to cool it down. And some cooked rice. First, grill the horse mackerel. When it's cooked, remove the skin, bones, and the head of the horse mackerel like this. Then put the fish in a mortar and mash it with wooden stick. Next, put the fish and the miso into the pan and cook them until they are slightly burnt. Like this. Oh, it smells so good. Then put the miso back in the mortar. Then pour the broth little by little and blend them. Like this. It smells so good. Next, slice the cucumber like this. Then add the sliced cucumbers. Like this. Next, take a little bit of tofu by hand and put it in. Lastly, sprinkle the sesame like this. So it's all done. Last, serve the cooked rice and cold miso soup over the rice. Like this. So I'm gonna try the hiyajiru from now on. So I'm gonna taste it from now on. was so crunchy, and the rice and cooked rice and the tofu are really soft, and I really liked it. So this is my first time making hiyajiru, and well, like cooking and mixing everything up was super fun, and it was like my first time making hiyajiru, and it was so much fun making it, especially where I smash the fish with the miso. That was the most fun part for me. And if you want to make hiyajiru, then the summertime is the best. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and give it a huge thumbs up. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye!